There's so much that I like. Well, first of all, technically speaking, you know, when you do something at Battle of the Year, the people, they want to see technique. They expect some technique, you know, so they gave technique. That was world class in technique, but also the pictures that were created. You know, the whole surrounding, that is not just dance, but also, you know, like the whole vibe that was created around it. From the video, they work with the video, with also, you know, like the way they work with the screen, how they open the doors, you know, lamelle, or I don't know how you call it.
Yes, lamelle.
The same thing, you know, like the shadow work, everything was very thought through, and you know, like from the small ball to the big ball to the whatever, and the significance of the whole pictures and everything. It's just a shame I don't speak Russian.
The last show? I thought it was good. You know, it's very hard to put together a b-boy show, and they put together a 60-minute b-boy show, and I was impressed. You know, the production was good. They use good lighting, good stage props. And B-boys, you know, they're just used to battling, so it's good to see B-boys do some theatrical work. They're good actors on stage, and they had all the elements, and I give them props. Big ups to Top 9 from Russia.
Oh, please, yes.
I'm sorry, it's okay.
So you have different moments, so I forget because I look all time. So together,
you
say,
worry, you
like
worry
this
too much.
here and here.
For me it was, you know, like I must do the best because it's Battle of the Year, you know, public, not normal public, you know, public who understand what is dancing, what is power, you know. So for me it was very important to do good. Today everyone try to do the best. Yeah, it's different. I think it's the same dancing, you know, just different way. Because stage and theater show, I think it's the last point where you can express yourself, you know, where you can do everything. You can speak, you know, you can do some moves, you know, like, you know, you can tell the story by dancing, you know. That's...
Dire un mot de ça,
Ben,
comment
en
ça
fait, ce moment-là, j'avais vraiment envie d'en parler parce que c'est ce qu'on va retrouver chez les b-boys. À la fois cette danse qui est dans un cercle, le danseur qui commence en premier, Costa, son histoire à lui, parce que je lui ai demandé d'abord à chaque danseur, racontez-moi une histoire qui vous a vraiment touché. Et chaque danseur, en fait, comme Costa, me disait la première fois quand je suis rentré dans un rond, en fait, on m'a poussé. Je voulais pas aller, j'avais peur, on m'a poussé dans ce rond-là. Et depuis, j'ai eu la rage de danser. Et c'est pour ça que j'ai voulu utiliser ce moment-là. Parce que chaque danseur, chaque b-boy, tout le monde est passé par là. Au début, on est un peu timide, on n'ose pas aller. Et une fois qu'on est dans le cercle, ça y est, on oublie tout. C'est une autre dimension. Je voulais vraiment retrouver cet univers-là.